Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be talking about drafting games. In a drafting game, the players have a hand of cards or items. They make a selection and pass the rest to the next player. Now they will make a selection from the new hand and pass again. Play continues till the hand is drained, often with the last item being discarded. Drafting is oftentimes combined with set collection. Sushi Go and Seven Wonders both do this. And so as you are collecting your cards in these card games, you are trying to build sets or find cards that are going to work together to make like a combo. Whereas in Fields of Green, it's still a card drafting game, but those cards are utilized in making your little farm and trying to get them placed just right so that the farm functions. Some games that are drafting do not actually use cards. In Between Two Cities, you're drafting tiles, and you have a player on each side of you that you're teamed up with, and those tiles that you've drafted are going to go into those cities that you're building together. Draftosaurus is another game that doesn't use cards. It uses little dinosaur meeples, and you'll have a handful of them, and you'll pick one out and you'll put it onto your mat. This brings back that set collection idea, where as you're trying to match up different kinds of dinosaurs and various pens in your zoo. We find that oftentimes card drafting games can be hard for new players to really grasp, but it's worth the effort because there's so many fun games that use it. Do you have a card drafting game that you have liked playing? Or have you had an experience trying to teach someone and it went horribly wrong? Let us know in the comments below. And join us next week as we'll be talking about deck building games. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss a single class. And I'll see you next time.